Vikas Sen. I'm born in India, but I'm right now a student of Russian Federation. आज जो लेक्चर हुआ इट वाज गुड फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स क्योंकि जो नॉलेज आज स्टूडेंट्स को चाहिए so everything was in this lecture and they explained it very well. So many students, they are not applying for UK and other countries because of the lack of the knowledge, lack of the opportunities. So this lecture, they gives them all the knowledge, all the details, and they can make their future in UK, England. So thank you Hive Academy to conduct a lecture here.
Myself Nikita Natarajan. I'm a third year student in Jalalabad Medical University. Today the team from the Hive Medical Academy has visited our university and we had a meeting and conference with them. They have explained everything about the process, how could I move to UK after my MBBS here in Jalalabad. Those are very informative. I'm looking forward to move to UK after my MBBS.
I'm a fourth-year medical student from Jalalabad State Medical University. I just came across from Hive Medical Academy as we just had seminar at my university, and I must say this academy is brilliant as it's supporting a student from the very start and are taking them to UK without any trouble. I know many of us have little knowledge about how to get UK, but it's not a problem when you are in Hive, as Hive provides us all the information that we need to get to our destination. So I think in future, anyone who is trying or willing to go to UK must give a try to Hive and meet them personally if possible. And if not, go to the website hivemedicalacademy.com and you will find all the information you need. Thank you so much Hive for making me and coming letting me have this interaction with you. Thank you.
मेरा नाम गुलाम मोहिद्दीन है. मैं जलालाबाद स्टेट मेडिकल यूनिवर्सिटी में फोर्थ ईयर का तालिब इल्म हूँ. हाइव इंटरनेशनल जो एकेडमी है उनके साथ मिलकर हमें बहुत अच्छा लगा और रियली जो चीज़ें उन्हें लैब के रिलेटेड और हमें बाहर जाने के रिलेटेड मोस्टली यूके में जाने के रिलेटेड बताई है वो बहुत ही हमारे लिए न्यू चीज़ें थी और वंडरफुल थी हमारे लिए और वो सो इंशाल्लाह कि लोग इन चीज़ों को सुनने के बाद इजीली जो अपना ये मंजिल जो तय कर पाएंगे.
My name is Asfanjar. Hive Academy, Hive Medical Academy came here in our university. There was a lot of misconceptions and a lot of confusions regarding PLAB, UKMLA. So it was great to have the faculty of Hive Medical Academy here. They have cleared each and everything to us. And a lot of misconception and a lot of confusions are removed, are being deleted from our minds. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Zafar Irfan at the Hive National Academy from University. They're providing us with post-graduation opportunities and diploma opportunities that will help us in the future. And we want to be stars to
interview with the Hive Academy was really nice. They actually gave us, set us example of how the questions will be coming, how hard it can be, how easy it can be. And they emphasized on making it easy for us. And not just for the exam, but after the PLAB and before the PLAB, what should we do and what all we should keep in our mind for going to UK or setting a path for us. They helped us in many ways, like they have talked to us and the delegates have came here. They have talked to us about the possibilities in UK. So I felt it was a very nice experience talking with them. They're very friendly and you can talk anything about your, any confusions about PLAB which you have encountered in your life. Like people have been cooking up stories about PLAB and the life in UK. They have helped us in any way. Thank you.